Namaskar. Most revered Swami Girishanandaji Maharaj and other members of the monastic order present here, and my most respected alumni delegates. Myself, D.K. Banerjee, I am here to represent Vidyapit Praktani, the Alumni Association of Ramakrishna Mission Vidyapit Deoghar, which is one of the most oldest and would be completing 100 years in coming February 2022. So I feel very proud of myself to be a student of such an old institution of the Ramakrishna order. Our association was formed in January 1988 at the behest of Swami Lokeshwaranandaji Maharaj, and with the sustained support and invaluable effort of Swami Shuhitanandaji Maharaj, the then Secretary of Vidyapit, as well as the founder president of Vidyapit Praktani. Our special kudos goes to late Arun Ghosh, alumnus of 1942 batch, the founder, honorary secretary, and later the chief convener, for his dynamic initiative and hard work in achieving the task in the right way. Swami Suviranandaji Maharaj, who took over the charge of our Vidyapit from Swami Shuhitanandaji Maharaj in 1997, injected fresh blood, vigor, strength, and all-round support to Vidyapit Praktani in promoting fraternity and fellowship amongst the alumni of Vidyapit and served for the cause of its beloved alma mater. As a matter of fact, he gave a whole new dimension to Vidyapit Praktani. We are also grateful to Swami Sarvaganandaji Maharaj, Swami Tyagarupanandaji Maharaj, and Swami Jayantanandaji Maharaj, the present Secretary of Vidyapit Deoghar, for their continuous support, help, and guidance. A series of hurdles have come between to its reaching to this milestone of success, and the legacies behind are the commitments, dedication, love for Praktani and the alma mater, and extensive hard work by a handful of senior Praktani brothers. The association, being an exclusive body of the alumnus of the Ramakrishna Mission Vidyapit Deoghar, Jharkhand, is morally and spiritually duty-bound and guided by the ideas and ideals as sermonized by Sri Ramakrishna, his spiritual consort, Sri Sharada Devi, and his principal disciple, Swami Vivekananda, and propagate the same amongst people in common. In practice, follow and carry out the ideologies of Swami Vivekananda and his basic message that center on the bedrock of the divinity of man and the glory of freedom of self. This association, being of a non-profit and non-political body, founded solely with the objects to foster close relationship with all former students of Vidyapit Deoghar and to maintain a close bond of fraternity to assist all-round developments and smooth running of our alma mater in any capacity possible, render humanitarian charitable services and harmony in society at large. We are to uphold the ideals and tradition of Vidyapit and to guide fellow alumni individually in their adult life so that they can take place in the society in accordance to principles learned in our Vidyapit. We always nurtured a special feeling for Vidyapit, our second home, and it is in the spirit of cooperation, service, understanding, compassion, forgiveness, give and take, and a feeling of universal fraternity as enunciated by Swami Vivekananda that our Vidyapit Praktani is founded. We are the product of Vidyapit, and we should be continuously alive with wide range of problems faced by us, particularly the present generation of youth in the society, and try to ameliorate and solve them to the best of our ability. We are engaged throughout the year in various charitable and philanthropic activities, apart from donating reasonable amounts to our alma mater against various development and constructional works, staff welfare fund, Naranaran Shiva, computer literacy program for Bal Kendra Center, distribution of blankets and winter garments to menial staffs, honorarium to teachers. We undertake 4 medical camps every year for the poor and downtrodden people at Kualpara near Jairambati. Apart from giving free treatment by our brother physicians, we also distribute sumptuous medicines at free of cost. These camps are operated from the premises of Ramakrishna Yogashram, Kualpara, and we are grateful indeed to the authorities for their unspeakable help and cooperation. Besides, we have been also holding one medical camp every year for the past 3 years at various centers of the Ramakrishna Sharada Mission centers covered so far are Advaita Ashrama, Mayavati, Sharada Mission Dirang, at Mohanpur, a tribal village in Devghar, under the banner of Ramakrishna Mission Vidyapit Devghar. We have been also donating lump sum amounts occasionally to Ramakrishna Mission Belur Math Relief Fund, Ramakrishna Yogashram Kualpara, Ramakrishna Mission Sevashram Vrindavan, Ramakrishna Math Odisha, Ramakrishna Math Puri, Ramakrishna Sharada Mission Dakshineshwar, and Voice of World Thakurpukur. We have also undertaken extensive charity work, donating saris, bedsheets and school uniforms, etc. to Panab Kanna Shanga Howrah and to an old age home at Sirampur, and the journey is on. We feel beholden to Ramakrishna Mission Belur Math for taking all the initiative in organizing such a befitting get-together. It seems to be the beginning of a clarion call for all of us to awake and arise and to unite together to strengthen the hands of our ultimate alma mater in augmenting the materializing the ethos of the very Ramakrishna Vidyavana movement. Let be and make be the slogan for nation India. In my sober conclusion, I would like to borrow a line from a traditional prayer to say that Shampado Tavo Sri Pado Bhavagoshpado Bari Jatha.